Sakalayan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
O gentle lady, when I present you with the head of that Brahman, after beheading him with arrows from my Gandiv bow, I shall then wipe the tears from your eyes and pacify you. Then, after burning your sons' bodies, you can take your bath standing on his head. An enemy who sets fire to the house, administers poison, attacks all of a sudden with deadly weapons, plunders wealth or usurps agricultural fields, or entices one's wife is called an aggressor. Such an aggressor, though he be a Brahman or a so-called son of a Brahman, has to be punished in all circumstances. When Arjun promised to behead the aggressor named Ashvatham, he knew well that Ashvatham was the son of a Brahman, but because the so-called Brahman acted like a butcher, he was taken as such, and there was no question of sin in killing such a Brahman's son who proved to be a villain.